Illegal migrant check sakavai kabo eni so natanda notice upon the demonstration quick ira. Intern katam now being with stipend mataika mikhavai border. James katam now being a protest ira. Like Tangkhul Express Pvt Wungramphi Ngalung na bami dalei Amei sign nganangrumsa. Illegal migrants check sakavai kakatong notice upon the katom nabing na demonstrate saira. Mizoram shong katam nabing with long ray mizo zirlai bolt MZP natanda sit in demonstration aya vanaba hole mangali saya. Illegal immigrations teilak eina Bangladesh mi northeast li ragzang check magasa eina sagz khalei makamyang about Northeast Student Organization NESO na kanghot zingli Northeastern State ngatateli aya hortang protest saira. Undocumented migrations eina demographic, cultural, security implications karamaramni katam now long katana bing na ninga creek pongshoka. Ayawi mi razang shum hayaka indigenous pingwi identity kala resource ni sazira gaji hangmatin naira. Demonstration ji Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura kala Shillong nila kwigaya. Northeast Students Organization wa zingni kazang Tripura Students Federation TSF nala aya circuit house nglem agar dalali sit in protest saira. Ministry of Home Affairs na chizikami migrant machut kuida deport sakavai ka hangji takte implement ka sa timan saira. Naka Students Federation NSF na tanda naka solidarity parkly sit in demonstration kwikayo. NESO General Secretary Mutsi Koyo Yobu kala NSF Department Medovi Ri na nakalan Chief Minister Nephew Rioli memorandum misangayro. Memorandum jina Northeast illegal immigrations we problem khalei ninka creek pongshoka. Intern katam now being with stipend mataika mikhavai boda Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Science Jenims katam now being a campus li protest pamaira. Atum stipend chi zingum thara gada mangachila rahiraji. Tenim Students Union President Laishram Lenin Nakahang, intern being with stipend G 2015 win among Chiranga. Increment wuivang zingum kani gatum mangali misang gahaina ka ngahanga kami malaitu the hang. Tenim's intern being with stipend kachang ni 15,120 na the hang. State kateli ngatam laga tiome karagaji katam now being hanga. Lenin Nagahang Assam ni stipend to about 37,000 shiga. Ghana Dagali 30,000 shigana. Jenims Infal Willa Teomi Tweed 30,000 Gangsa Kavai Bodale. Jenims Li Ariri Indern Sit Shaka Hangpanga Leaji. Atumna Boda Kaleji Mamiarang Lakainatanga Atumna Prote Savara Dalei.
First time in Ukhrul District, Rosella Nursing Institute, Tang Ukhrul District. Admission open 2025. Are you dreaming of a rewarding career in healthcare? Rosella Nursing Institute invites boys and girls to enroll in our 3-year nursing course. Eligibility, minimum 40% in arts science or NIOS. Get high-quality education and develop excellent healthcare skills with practical training in 1. Foundation of Nursing Lab 2. Nutrition Lab 3. Community Health Nursing Lab 4. Obstetric and Gynecology Lab. Hostel facilities available for both boys and girls, affordable tuition fees, placement assistance after completion. For more details call 813-584-4591, 971722-8141 or visit us at Rosella Nursing Institute, Campus Tung, Ukhrul District. Enroll now for 2025 seats are limited.
Zadraga hai zingum kutumya lungni Tripura shong nisharili kungasun cases tinga shatro lang the register sahira. Chief Minister Dr. Manik Sahana Katan Shokarjina and the drug operations Zadraga Hai Maram officials figure at Ishoda Zadraga Hai Zingum Kutumya Lungi Police Kala Enforcement Agencies na Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance NTPS Eka Zingli cases tinga shatruk hangtruk the panga register saira chiling sunda mi tingani shatruk hangjigora shini to create nishari lupa 1500 crores shikogi to create nishari ji cabinet ban daplet cough syrups kala heroin hikata hizanga NTPS provision azing the offender hang shini convict saira the officials na hanga Tribura conviction rates not easily chumetui kji zanga the hanga Tribura li kare kum ni ngatam laga financial year 2024 to 25 li nishari to kokui 106% matai sangai raji Manipur Police with Criminal Investigation Department CIT personnel kalami akali matang to kuera Anina Imphal East District Yaribok Yarili extort wuivang to Kokwina the hanger. Mekani jina doikan sing the Yarili Dandi na lupa ngashai kokui atamni Yaribok top laimang wimiping to Kokwina. To quiga high kaniji MD Amumaja Zingum Hangmadi Yaribok Dabok Bi Wimi Kala MD Asad Zingum Tumra Yaribok Duli Highway Mina. Ani Kanini District Jui Mina. Amumajaji Manipur Police the CIT personnel sada khalei naji. Anili Antro Police Station li misangaira. Manipur we Kwerenge Airfield li military cantonment masala heritage eina tourist site sada mikhavai boira. Maram wuivang People's Action for Peace and Progress Manipur PAPPM India we Prime Minister le memorandum misangaira. BAPPM na memorandum Julikahang 1942 to 43 le American engineers ping kutom kamizangda kasem Kwerenge Airfield China Battle of Imphali kamatayo odngarut kuya Ochochi Asiali Okutui Raire Kakaniawe kamataya turning boy insada UNESCO na lamachut mia Dulihal Balel Kala airstrip katailing soda Kwerenge Airfield China Allied forces we kamataya supply pace ngasaya Japanese Army bangni matazang kawai Manipurin and northeastern frontier kangagle kamataya abang ngasaya da hangsanga PAPPM nakahang airfield chief military relic mang maningla okuti with Thorinjani Karinga Shaki ngasada Manipur with 1940s with global event li ngasunmia Kwerenge Manipur Raire Kakniya we heritage circuit sada Imphal Kohima globally recognized sites kateli ling kalayabam sada mikhavai bohaira Chithada project chin heritage tourism museum kite tours gala cultural festival hikata khirada local employment ling genre kala national integrations li kotomre gichi PAPPM na hanga Manipur with digital ecosystem maling mikhavai maramli Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Palanatan the Raj Pavan Kazip Pamaira Manipur li public service kamili matame mikhavai rin the legal methods li AI power case management system kara marang sanaira kala office service matame mikhavai village and habitations analysis wuivang Geographic Information System GIS kasingala shorgar with social media platform mangain yarili chanbao matami mikhavai maram sana initiative being hui maramdi Secretary ID and Land Resource TH Kiran Gumar kala senior officials kateina presentation mingoro khaira Proposed IT-based service G atam jada implement sakavai pekar kavai governor and officers being the kasadair kazip chili chief secretary Dr. Bunet Kumar Goyal ngala secretary to the governor Sumant Singh Nabazanga Ladluidajari kamdaya bawing Illegal migrant check sakavai kabo any sonatan notice upon the demonstration quick Intern katamnao being with stipend mataika mikhavai boda James katamnao being a protest sire Achawi pawi ling jangai baung na the clinton saikorali ring kapag la kamahai zim shong sa